Hi everyone, my name's Catherine Coromillis and I host a little Facebook group online called the Stoic Salon, where we're kind of dedicated to reading and writing with the Stoics. And every first Sunday of the month, I lead a goal setting workshop. I call it the Goal Setting with the Stoics workshop, and I lead you through some mindset activities and some writing activities to set some goals with with a more stoic approach, which I feel might be based on an approach which accepts and recognizes and understands our natural limitations as human beings. So we're going to talk a little bit about our limited sphere of control and what we do have control of and what we don't, what depends on us and what doesn't. So that as a way of approaching goal setting. We're also going to talk about the limitation of our lifespan, where we've got some limited time on earth, we will die, and how does that impact and influence our goal setting activities. And the Stoics would probably say that we also have very limited requirements for what composes a good life. So how does that influence the goals that we set? I feel that today we're presented with so many opportunities that tempt us to go off in various directions because we see or feel that we need to be spontaneous, that our lives must be abundant and full of activity, that we value quantity of achievement, we value spontaneity, responsiveness, speed. And in this workshop, we're going to look more at how slowness and pause and consideration might actually impact the goals that we even consider setting for ourselves. And then, of course, how we go about achieving those goals. So it's a very, very different approach to goal setting than what we might normally see out there on the webs. And as a special little treat, we're going to do a little writing activity, a little guided writing activity where we're going to write collaboratively with the great Epictetus. He has some very interesting advice to give us about setting goals and committing to challenges. And yeah, that will be really interesting. So the sessions last for 90 minutes and they're interactive and there's writing. So bring your favorite journal and your favorite pen, and all you need to do is just sign up to a Zoom room. So pop over to bit.ly /stoic goal. So that's bit.ly bit.ly/stoic goal. And what you just need to register once and you're in for all the sessions, all the upcoming sessions. So really hope to see you. It's a great way to spend a Sunday. The sessions start at 1 p.m. London, Glasgow time. Please use World Time Buddy online to work out what time that is in your part of the world. And I really look forward to spending 90 minutes really setting some good considered goals. So looking forward to seeing you. Bye.